Hello, welcome to Someka. Today I'm gonna explain Team to-do list Excel template. So a lot of companies allow their team members to manage their tasks with a different approach. But the difficulty is that when it comes to consolidating an overall process, this can be cumbersome. So get it right from the start. This template defines your team's monthly achievements and it gives them an overview of the work that needs to be done at a glance, because all their monthly to-dos will be organized in this Excel template. Now let's start with the basic flow of the template. In Team Datasheets, you will create your team and assign tasks for each of them. And after that, you can switch between months and update the status for the tasks. And finally, dashboard will show the total number of tasks completed, in progress, or closed. Now let's see how it works. So in order to make things easy for you, there is a team data page. So you can create your team and assign the tasks. So for example, let's add another team member in here and add a job for this member. Let's say increase through rate by 0.1%. And after writing my job assignment, I will assign to new member and I will insert an assignment date. And deadline too, because your job duties will appear on each month according to their deadline. For example, let's add here deadline. And here in February, I will see my assignments according to their deadline. And speaking of the month section, you don't need to change anything else on this page because data for chosen months will be automatically shown in here. So all you have to do is select status for each job assignment. For example, you can select in progress, closed, or not started for the donut drop. And here is another great feature. You can also see total stats of the team members. And also here in the team sheets, you can see monthly stats at the top of the page and the total stats of the months. And as a result, dashboard gives you a visual statistic with the total jobs that have not started, are in the progress, or have been completed. And that's all. So everything you are going to need for a better planning is available in Team To-Do List Excel template at one place. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates from Someka website. Thank you.